Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to enable split keyboard in landscape view mode in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So where to look for our keyboard options? First we need to open settings. Then in settings we are looking for general management options menu. Next we need to go to Samsung keyboard settings and then we need to scroll down to the mode menu. And in here, as you can see, we have a few options. We can separately select our keyboard's mode for the portrait view or landscape view. We are interested in our split keyboard in the landscape view, so we can choose the second option here. And now, that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.